Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb ikhtara. Ikhtara is an example of 5-letter verbs in Arabic. Ikhtara. Fi'lun madin, past tense. Fi'lun madin, past participle. Fi'lun madin. This is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action that took place in the past. The question is, how do we change the verb ikhtara? Ikhtara simply means he has chosen. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb ikhtara to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number 1. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb ikhtara to suit ana? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying dhamma to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb ikhtara will now become ikhtartu, which means I have chosen. So you may ask me, there was alifun in ikhtara. However, the alifun is now missing out in ikhtartu. Remember I told us in one of the previous lessons that 2 letters carrying sukun will never meet in Arabic language at the same time. Now that ra'un is carrying sukun and the alifun was also carrying sukun, if we should allow the alif to be, that will now lead to the meeting of 2 letters carrying sukun at the same time. So what do we do to avoid that? We cancel the alif to avoid the meeting of 2 sukun at the same time. Ithnan, number 2. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb ikhtara to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to attach na to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb ikhtara will now become ikhtarna. Ikhtarna, which means we have chosen. Thalatha, number 3. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb ikhtara to suit anta? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying fataha to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb ikhtara will now become ikhtarta, which means you have chosen. Arba, number 4. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb ikhtara to suit anti? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying kasra to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb ikhtara will now become ikhtarti, which means you have chosen, talking to a single female person. Khamsa, number 5. Here, she. So how do we change the verb ikhtara to suit here? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying sukun to the last letter. So the verb ikhtara will now become ikhtarat, which means she has chosen. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something has happened. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing has happened. For instance, Wahid, number 1. Ikhtara, he has chosen. Makhtara, he has not chosen. Ithnan, number 2. Ikhtarat, she has chosen. Makhtarat, she has not chosen. Thalatha, number 3. Ikhtartu, I have chosen. Remember, the alifun in ikhtaro can only be read when found at the beginning of a sentence. However, whenever it is found in the center of a sentence, the alifun is going to be dropped. For instance, ikhtartu, I have chosen. Now the alifun has been read. Makhtartu, I have not chosen. Now the alifun has been dropped. Makhtartu, not ma ikhtartu. Not ma ikhtartu, rather makhtartu, I have not chosen. Arba, number 4. Ikhtarna, we have chosen. Makhtarna, we have not chosen. Khamsa, number 5. اخترت, you have chosen, talking to a single male person. ما اخترت, you have not chosen. ستة, number 6. اخترتي, you have chosen, talking to a single female person. ما اخترتي, you have not chosen. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. الاستعمال, noun usage. واحد, number 1. أي كتاب اختاره خالد. أي كتاب اختاره خالد. أي كتاب, which book, اختاره خالد, has Khalid chosen. There are two ways for saying this. Number 1, you can read it this way. أي كتاب اختاره خالد. أي كتاب اختاره خالد. Which book has Khalid chosen? So the second way of reading it. أي كتاب اختاره خالد. أي كتاب اختاره خالد. I repeat. أي كتاب اختاره خالد. Which book has Khalid chosen? لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the answer. اختار خالد الكتاب الأسود. اختار خالد الكتاب الأسود. اختار خالد. Khalid has chosen الكتاب الأسود, the black book. اختار خالد. Khalid has chosen الكتاب الأسود, the black book. There are two ways for saying this also. Number 1, اختار خالد الكتاب الأسود. So number 2, اختار خالد الكتاب الأسود. I repeat. اختار خالد الكتاب الأسود. Khalid has chosen the black book. اثنان, number 2. هل اختارت زينب سؤالا. هل اختارت زينب سؤالا. Has Zainab chosen any question? Know the answer. لا, no. ما اختارت زينب سؤالا. ما اختارت زينب سؤالا. Zainab has not chosen any question. ثلاثة, number 3. أي هواية اخترت يا أخي. أي هواية اخترت يا أخي. أي هواية. So which hobby اخترت have you chosen يا أخي, my brother. أي هواية. So which hobby اخترت have you chosen يا أخي, my brother. Now the answer. اخترت الفروسية. اخترت الفروسية. I have chosen horse riding. اخترت الفروسية. I have chosen horse riding. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. أربعة, number 4. أي نوع طعام اخترت يا أختي. اخترت يا أختي. أي نوع طعام اخترت يا أختي. أي نوع طعام. So what kind of food اخترتي have you chosen يا أختي, my sister. أي نوع طعام. What kind of food or which kind of food اخترتي have you chosen يا أختي, my sister. Know the answer. اخترت طعاما صينيا. اخترت طعاما صينيا. I have chosen a Chinese food. اخترت طعاما صينيا. I have chosen a Chinese food. خمسة, number 5. أي قرة اخترتما. أي قرة اخترتما. أي قرة. Which ball اخترتما have you both chosen? Talking to Hashim and Khalid. Now the answer. اخترنا كرة القدم. اخترنا كرة القدم. We have chosen football. اخترنا كرة القدم. We have chosen football. ستة, number 6. أي كرة اخترتم يا إخوة. أي كرة اخترتم يا إخوة. أي كرة. Which ball اخترتم have you all chosen يا إخوة, brothers. Know the answer. اخترنا كرة سلة. اخترنا كرة سلة. We have chosen كرة سلة, basketball. اخترنا we have chosen كرة سلة. كرة سلة, basketball. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبعة, number 7. أي بلد اخترتن يا أخوات. أي بلد اخترتن يا أخوات. أي بلد. Which country اخترتن have you all chosen يا أخوات, sisters. أي بلد اخترتن. Which country have you all chosen يا أخوات, sisters. Know the answer. اخترنا نيجيريا. اخترنا نيجيريا. اخترنا we have chosen Nigeria as a country. اخترنا نيجيريا. We have chosen Nigeria as a country. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clips and revise it using the PDF file below it. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.